Hello, brilliant inventors! This is the final episode of our experiment series. How are you feeling after this amazing journey through science, innovation, and creativity? I bet that now you see the world in a more fascinating and complete way, huh? But what would happen if I told you that starting tomorrow, electricity no longer exists? Oh, that's exactly what Miss Henry, a renowned inventor at the Wright Brothers Genius Academy, told us when she welcomed us into her pitch-black classroom. She then turned on a flashlight and started to explain to us how this simple device can act as an alternative source of energy and illumination. This flashlight uses direct current, which flows continuously through the circuit, enabling the diode to emit light. It's a perfect example of how electricity can be harnessed to light up the dark. Using a shovel and a wooden mill, Miss Henry built a parallel channel to the stream. As the water flowed through the mill, she demonstrated how the force of water can be converted into mechanical energy, a fantastic example of renewable energy. The mill transforms the water's kinetic energy into mechanical energy, which can be used to generate electricity. And that leads us to our next activity. To understand how light is generated through electricity, we're going to build an illuminated model. We'll need 2 LED lights, cardboard from the A box, 1 box of 6 colored markers, 2 foam boards, 21 by 18 centimeters, 1 resistor, electrical tape, a battery holder, 2 batteries, a glue gun, masking tape, and scissors. We'll start by building the house we'll illuminate. Cut the cardboard into pieces and glue them together to form a small house or building. Then, cut up the windows and doors and attach the structure to the foam board base. For the lighting, keep in mind that the longer leg of the LED is the positive side, and the shorter leg is the negative side. With the other resistor wire, tie a knot to the positive wire from the battery holder, red wire, and secure it with electrical tape. Tie a small knot between the longer leg, positive side, and one of the resistor wires. Then secure it with electrical tape. For the shorter leg, negative side of the LED, tie a knot to the other battery holder wire and secure it with electrical tape as well. Insert the batteries into the holder in the correct polarity. Finally, attach the lighting setup to the interior of the house using masking tape. When the LED is connected properly, it will emit light. It's an efficient way to turn electrical energy into visible light. For the final challenge, illuminate the entire classroom with your illuminated models. With the main lights turned off, turn on your models together and measure how much light they produce collectively to see if you can brighten the room without the main lights. Excellent work! You have demonstrated how electrical energy can be used to create light and how technological innovations like energy-efficient LEDs have revolutionized the way that we use light in our spaces while saving energy. And that brings us to the end of this amazing experiment series. I hope you've learned a lot through these experiments. Thank you for joining me, and remember, keep experimenting with curiosity and creativity.